Do you ever talk to yourself like you're your own worst enemy? I recently realized I do. I'm rebuilding this 36-year-old bike in my garage, but it all started with a mental health journey. So many. I was diagnosed with ADHD recently, and I realized that I say things to myself daily that I would never say to anyone else. What helped me with this was talk to yourself like you're your own best friend. If they were stressed or late, you wouldn't attack them, you wouldn't insult them, you wouldn't call them names, you wouldn't call them stuff that I couldn't even share here without getting banned. It's a perspective shift. It sounds small, but it helped me. So I'm trying to be kinder to myself, and maybe you can too. See you soon.